Do you have an RV awning that's looking a little ragged and faded? The new Carefree awning replacement system can instantly raise the curb appeal of your RV. You may think replacing awning fabric will be hard or expensive to do, but it's not. Carefree of Colorado offers easy-to-order premium replacement vinyl for most awning brands, including Dometic and Lippert, as well as Carefree. Carefree replacement vinyl works with manual and motorized models and is custom-made to fit your RV. Let's run through a typical replacement on this Dometic manual awning with our exclusive universal one-piece patio awning replacement canopy. This combines the valance and canopy into a single uniform piece, providing a sleeker, more attractive look than our previous two-piece replacement fabrics available. The fabric is secured into the roll bar with two polycords in two different slots into the roller tube. One polycord is sewn into the fabric and the other is pressed into the second slot using Carefree's one-of-a-kind press-in polycord and tools. This ensures the canopy is wrapped tightly around the roll bar, regardless of size. So let's get started. First, remove the old canopy fabric. Open the awning and secure it with zip ties like this. Insert the cotter pin to prevent the awning from unfurling. And remove screws that secure the canopy in the rail at both ends. You can cut away the fabric at this time, or you could leave it intact and slide it out after removing the awning tube from the arms. Remove top cap screws on each arm, then lift and remove the awning tube. With a manual awning like this, you need to unwind the spring mechanism. Be sure to count the number of rotations and record this, as you will need to rewind the new canopy the same number of rotations when installed. The end caps on Dometic awnings are secured with rivets, which need to be drilled out at the spring end only. Then pull off the cap with the spring mechanism attached. To pull the canopy off the tube, you may need to cut the polycord inside the awning tube slot, then slide out the canopy. Now it's in time to install the new Carefree canopy. When you unroll the canopy, you will see this sticker. It refers to the slits in the canopy fabric. The slits are deliberate for quality assurance and will not hinder the performance or durability. Remove the sticker before installing the canopy. First, slide the awning tube onto the sewn-in polycord on the Carefree canopy. To help the polycord move easily into the slot, clip the provided black plastic tool onto the tube. Once the fabric is on and centered, smooth the fabric on the tube and use the round edge disc of the Carefree spline tool to press the fabric into the slot. Start in the middle while holding the fabric flat against the roller tube. Starting in the center of the tube, press the polycord into the valance slot using the concave disc on the tool. Move along the tube carefully, making sure the polycord is securely pushed into the slot. Once one side is complete, return to the middle and work towards the opposite end. At the seams, it will take a little more effort. Be sure the fabric is fully embedded into the slot. When finished, measure both ends to be sure the canopy is centered. Stake the canopy on both ends using 4 flathead screws with plastic washers provided. Push through the canopy and poly rod into the roller tube slot. It's normal for the fabric to catch slightly, but be sure to straighten out any noticeable wrinkles. Trim any excess polycord as shown. Reinstall the spring cap and use 3 pop rivets to attach the cap to the tube. Turn the spring arm counterclockwise the number of times you wrote down to tension the spring inside the tube. It's time to replace the tube on the arms. Remove one arm from the rail and pull out the fabric remnant if needed. Slide the new canopy onto the rail. Reattach the awning arm at the top with the 2 bolts you removed. Fully tighten. Snap in the bottom of the arm. Unroll enough of the canopy to allow easy placement of the awning cap onto the top rail arm and replace the screw. Repeat on the other end. Finish by replacing screws in the awning rail at both ends to secure fabric from moving. Remove the cotter pin and remove the zip ties. You're done. Remove the blue protective film from the FlexGuard shield and enjoy your smart new canopy. The Carefree Universal One-Piece Awning Replacement Canopy comes in choices to satisfy your budget and style. Choose from several fabrics for your replacement. Standard vinyl comes in 5 dune stripes and 5 shale fades. Or choose Carefree Premium Vinyls. These replacements are made with heavier 15-ounce vinyl and are embedded with an antimicrobial agent and double hemmed with lasting Gore Tenera thread. And RVs look even better with window-size awning fabrics featuring a proportionally smaller pattern to match the patio awning. Carefree also offers several ways to protect the fabric when it's enclosed. FlexGuard is a proprietary polymer that rolls up with the awning. Flexible, lightweight, and robust, it's a fraction of the cost of metal. AlumaGuard is a metal wrap that encloses the fabric roller automatically as the awning is retracted. UniGuard is a single-piece aluminum wrap designed to protect the awning fabric and streamline its look when closed. Cool indeed. Vinyl WeatherGuard is the last section of open vinyl awning that rolls up with the fabric. Quality, value, performance, and style. Carefree of Colorado knows what RVers want for their shade comfort, and we're ready to help. For more about Carefree and its products, go to carefreeofcolorado.com.